Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India fourth largest military spender, SIPRI. According to the latest report by Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, that is SIPRI, India was the fourth largest spender globally in 2023. Indian military expenditure was worth $83.6 billion in 2023. Latest data showed that the United States, China, and Russia remained the top three military spenders globally, followed by India and Saudi Arabia. Indian spending was up by 4.2% from 2022 and by 44% from 2014. Report highlighted that growth in spending is because of rising personnel and operations cost. This aligns with the government's priority to strengthen the operational readiness of the armed forces amid ongoing tensions with China and Pakistan. Report noted that the continued shift towards domestic procurement reflects India's goal of becoming self-reliant in arms development and production. As per the report, the five biggest spenders together accounted for 61% of world military spending. US spending was $916 billion and the Chinese spending was an estimated $296 billion. Russia's military spending grew by 24% in 2023 to an estimated $109 billion. The unprecedented rise in military spending showcased major powers' direct response to the global deterioration in peace and security. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, according to the latest report of SIPRI, what is the position of India globally in military spending? Second, third, fourth, or fifth? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.